Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can view somebody's profile picture on Discord. So back then, you weren't able to kind of like look at their picture and like zoom it in, but now you actually can, and it is super simple. You don't need anything. Go to their profile here, and you're just going to click on their profile picture, and you're actually able to look at their profile pictures now without having to use anything else. So yeah, that's how you can view somebody's like Discord profile picture, and you can even like zoom it in now. I'm not sure if you can like save it. Like, why would you save somebody else's profile picture? But that's how you can, I guess, view their profile picture a little bit more and in depth. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!